Okay, so this one, 65-inch TV flush mount above a stone fireplace. So what I did on this one is they didn't have a conduit already run. And so for one, a flush mount that's a marketing term. Flush means wall, back of TV, zero gap. That's what people would think it means. That's not actually the case in TV mounting. I mean, you've got slight gap I think this one was uh, like 0.4 or 0.5 inches, which for all intents and purposes is flush. But it looked fantastic. He wanted a flush mounting bracket, and he wanted the TV mounted as close to the soundbar as possible so that, the soundbar cord and soundbar power cord just wouldn't really be shown, and he wouldn't need to do cord concealing on that. Otherwise, you got to actually, yeah, in this case, I would have drilled a hole right here, right? And then, or no, right here, and then went behind the wall and then had a hole somewhere in this area, wherever the stud isn't. And then what I ended up doing is I then ran the HDMI cords down and into this cabinet here. And so that's how that one went. I did not do this, just so you know. Can you imagine if I'm mounting a TV here and then I'm just beating up the wall on this side? Clients will be like, what the heck's this guy about? Probably want some sort of discount on that. But no, they asked me, how do I fix that? And I said, these aren't very deep. You can just paint over those. They had just gotten the house, and then the clients who had it before just hadn't fixed that stuff or didn't know how, so no big deal. But yeah, this one was pretty cut and dry.